Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be styling a V-part wig in my hair, and we're starting with fresh clean hair so I don't have to wash it. So I like to use this. All right, focus. Hold on, just trying to focus. Okay, I like to use this miel or growth oil in my hair, and it actually works good for me. Like, my edges were really thinning out from the wigs, and it's still thin, but they are definitely growing back. So if you need an oil that works, this is definitely it. And I don't part my hair or anything. I just take the oil, squirt some up, and just deposit it in my hair. I'm gonna take my hands, give myself a good massage, because that's the way you promote hair growth. Gotta massage that oil in. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna part my hair out for this V part, and I'm gonna be looking down because I'm looking into this mirror so I can part it perfect. Woo, I got a lot of grays. Yes, I do. Lord, I am getting old. And it's probably gonna take me a while to part because that's not my specialty, parting no hair. This is good enough. So I'm gonna braid this down so it can get out my way. And then I am not a braider, so I just take this and put it in. All right, my camera died. So I'm just gonna take this, make it flat. I'm gonna braid it in a single braid, or plaits, or whatever you call it. Because I do not know how to braid, so this right here works for me. I normally pin it up with some bobby pins, but I don't think I have any, so I'm gonna put, see, I can just do this. Yep, works for me. Right. See, I made me a little flat to the back. This is my U-part wig, and you can see I done constructed her so she can fit my head, so because my head is tiny, but it works for me. Perfect. I'll measure that perfect. Just clip your clips in. I think I might need to put it a little bit closer to my part. Okay. Bam. I so love me U-part weave, V-part weave. They are so easy to work with. And then the only thing else I gotta do is flatten it out. And so I'm gonna take some heat protectant. Got my eye. Lord, I'm tripping. I'm just straighten out this part because she been packed down, so that's why she all flipped up and looking crazy. Now I'm gonna put some curls in it because I don't like no straight hair. Never did, never will. So it's just a little quick straightening that I'm doing. Just enough so my curls don't look crazy. Little Walmart flat irons get hot. I prefer braids though because it gives the comb something to hold on to. But if you can't braid, you gotta do what you gotta do. And it still works, so. And anybody can do a V-part, even if you don't know how to do hair. Trust me, you don't need to know how to do hair to do a V-part or U-part wig. These are the easiest wigs I've ever done in my life. Like, I done did my own lashes. Like, look at me. Who am I turning into? Trying to save some money. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. And it don't feel bulky. I like. See, this is the part I'm talking about. Like, with your clips clipping on. There we go. It's a little bit more secure. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna just flatten my leave out a little bit. Not too much, not too much. You still look good. And when I say I straighten my hair so much, that's why I only need one pass to be straightened, because I done burnt that out. Okay, yeah, let's cut that up. Oh my God, I need to dye my hair. My hair is literally gray. That is crazy. All right, now I'm about to curl it. And you're gonna see the difference of what it looks like with the curls. Plug my curling iron up. Hickory dock. I'm over here listening. Okay. Piece back here. And you can take this off at night, so perfect. That's why I like these and glueless wigs, but sometimes I just want it to look like my hair, like, even though glueless wigs do, but V part and U part is just hit different, like a traditional sew-in. That's what I like sometimes. I'm just doing some big curls in here because, yeah. I want to make them too. I like bouncy hair. Not the barber curl because I just need my hair. I promise my house do not get loud until I start doing something. That's ridiculous. That little boy is screaming to the top of his lungs. I just don't understand. I don't get it. I need a separate house. That's why I got all these grays in my hair right there. You hear it? Kids give you gray hair. They really do. Oh my God, he's still crying. The outcome is beautiful. I love it. This is what the back looks like. Let me just, but yes, if you like easy hairdos and something quick, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will show you more ways to look cute really, really fast. But yes, and it looks like my hair. I love it.